If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check the game launcher or platform for any available updates and install them. Step 2. Verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files can cause crashes. Use the game launcher as built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any issues and replace or repair files as needed. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can lead to performance issues and crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your hardware. Install them and restart your computer. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. High graphics settings can strain your system and cause crashes. Lower the graphics settings in the game options menu. Start with settings like resolution, texture quality, and effects, and see if this improves stability. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for the game. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components such as RAM, CPU, or GPU to enhance performance and reduce crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.